How can I fast track my success?
I think we have been spoiled by the opportunity and the tools of today because people don't want to face any obstacles, and obstacles are part of the journey. Get over it. There's always opposition anytime you want to do anything, whether that's becoming a better speaker or communicator, or maybe you want to become an instructor, or maybe you want to become a better leader in your church. Whatever it is, there's going to be some opposition that opposes that growth and that change, especially when you're trying to pursue success. Success demands a lot of things from you, but opposition will always be there. Are you strong enough to face the opposition? Only if you don't quit. Thanks for watching. I really hope that this is bringing you value. I don't know where to start. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough time. Have you ever felt like that? These are the 3 most common things that keep people from starting their business, and I felt this way too. And that's why I wrote this book, because I want to help people like you win. And I've studied digital marketing for a while now. Here's what you'll learn. And these are crucial skills to have if you're a digital marketer or content creator. We cover how you create a centralized platform where you can show your expertise and serve people. This is how you build authority. We also cover the secret to selling, what I call the value factor, and how to serve more. And then we also cover 3 powerful funnels to get your leads, prospects, and customers to move up your value ladder, to buy more stuff from you. As an added bonus, I give specific sales and marketing tips and tactics for digital marketers. I include this each month. It's called the Online Business Simplified magazine, exclusively to my email list. So I invite you to get access to both of these, and you can sign up to get these. They're both free, and the link is in the description. And along with that, I am going to be your business coach to help guide you along this process. And now back to the video you were watching.